These 20 classic cars cost less than a smartphone, but some of them could be hidden gems. Let's take a look. 1. 1973 Ford Ltd. Brougham, $4,500, Newton, NC. This 1973 Ford Ltd. Brougham is a classic full-size American sedan that focuses on comfort and smooth cruising rather than performance. Powered by a 400 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, it runs and drives well, making it a usable classic right away. With around 79,000 miles and only 2 owners, it still carries a lot of its original character, including chrome details and a spacious interior. It also features a rare factory tow package, which adds a unique touch. Overall, this is a solid cruiser that can be enjoyed as is, while leaving room for light restoration over time. 2. 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury, $4,500, Morganton, Georgia. This 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury offers a balance between a running car and a realistic project. It comes with a 318 Polysphere engine and a 727 automatic transmission that has been recently serviced and shifts properly. The car has received several updates like a new carburetor, fuel pump, and rebuilt power steering system. It runs and can move around, but it will need brake work and some finishing touches before being road ready. There is some rust in typical areas, but the structure remains fairly solid for its age, making it a reasonable entry-level restoration project. 3. 1978 Ford Granada, $4,950, Chesapeake, Virginia. This 1978 Ford Granada is one of the more complete and usable classics in this list. It features a 6-cylinder engine that runs smoothly and has recently been serviced with multiple new parts, including tires, battery, carburetor, and fuel system components. With around 55,000 miles, the car appears to have been maintained relatively well. The interior is reported to be in great condition, and the original paint still presents nicely for its age. Overall, this is less of a heavy project and more of a ready-to-drive vintage car that can be used with minimal additional work. 4. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, $2,800, Piedmont, Alabama. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 comes equipped with a rebuilt 390 V8 engine and several new mechanical components already installed, including brakes, exhaust, and fuel system parts. The car does run and can move around, but it is not yet road ready and will require a trailer for transport. One important detail is that it does not come with a proper title, only a bill of sale, which may affect registration depending on location. Even so, it offers a strong foundation for someone looking for a budget V8 project with significant progress already completed. 5. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair, $2,250, Jefferson City, Missouri. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair is a compact classic that is relatively simple compared to larger American cars from the same era. It features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and while it hasn't been driven since 2018, it appears to be mostly complete. The car includes extra parts, new tires, and a service manual, which is helpful for restoration. It will need fresh fuel, brake work, and general recommissioning before being roadworthy. Overall, this is a manageable project that could be brought back without extreme cost or complexity.
6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $2,500, Wellsville, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a classic muscle car project that offers solid potential but requires mechanical attention. Originally a 4-speed car, it has been converted to an automatic transmission, though it hasn't been running since the swap. The body and frame are reported to be in good shape, with minimal rust, which is a major advantage for a project of this type. It also comes with extra parts, including wheels and trim pieces. While it will need inspection and work to get running again, It provides a strong base for a performance-focused rebuild. Seven, 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $5,000, Mechanicsburg, PA. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a relatively clean survivor with around 84,000 miles and only 2 previous owners. It runs and drives, but like many cars of its age, it will need some light work to be fully reliable. The condition suggests it has been reasonably maintained over the years, with both the body and interior holding up fairly well. Compared to other listings, this one leans more toward preservation rather than a full restoration project. It's a good option for someone looking for a usable classic that doesn't require starting from zero. Eight, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle, $5,000, Pelzer SC. This 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle stands out as one of the most ready-to-use cars in this group. It comes with a newly built 1641cc engine and is reported to run and drive very well. The interior is in good condition, and overall the car appears complete and functional. Unlike many project vehicles, this one doesn't require immediate major repairs, making it suitable for regular driving or casual weekend use. It's a simple and reliable classic that can be enjoyed immediately while still offering room for minor improvements. Nine, 1966 AMC Ambassador 990, $2,500, Middlesboro, Kentucky. This 1966 AMC Ambassador 990 is a less common classic that offers something different from the usual Ford and Chevrolet options. It is equipped with a 327 engine and an automatic transmission, and it comes with brand new tires already installed. The main issue is that it needs a fuel pump to run properly, and it does not have a title, which could limit its usability depending on local regulations. Even so, it remains a relatively complete project with potential for someone looking for a unique vintage car. Ten, 1971 Volkswagen Beetle, $2,800, Williamson, Georgia. This 1971 Volkswagen Beetle is a simple and affordable entry into classic car ownership. It runs and drives fairly well and has received several new parts, including tires, battery, carburetor, and fuel system components. There is some rust in common areas such as the floor pans, which is expected for a car of this age. Despite that, it remains usable and can be improved gradually over time. Overall, this is a practical project that allows you to drive while restoring, rather than being stuck off the road completely.
Eleven, 1978 Jeep CJ5, $3,750, Douglasville, Georgia. This 1978 Jeep CJ5 is a classic off-road platform that offers a solid base for a restoration or custom build. It comes with a 6-cylinder engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a Dana 20 transfer case, making it a proper 4x4 setup. The vehicle does have minor rust and currently needs an engine, so it's not in running condition. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, which may affect registration depending on location. Overall, this is a straightforward project for someone looking to build a vintage off-road Jeep from the ground up. Twelve, 1956 Dodge Lancer, $5,000, Del Rio TN. This 1956 Dodge Lancer is a unique and heavily modified classic that stands out from typical stock restorations. It features a 413 big block engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, along with custom touches like 1958 Cadillac taillights and a modified convertible style body. The car also has a custom rear end setup and updated exhaust. While it runs, it's clearly a project that blends originality with custom work, so it may appeal more to someone interested in a hot rod or resto mod direction rather than a factory-correct restoration. (13) 1976 GMC 1500 short bed, $2,800, Coleman, Alabama. This 1976 GMC 1500 short bed is a square-body truck project with a strong structural foundation. The frame, cab, and floors are reported to be solid, which is a major advantage for a build like this. It comes with a 350 small block engine and automatic transmission, but it is not currently running and will require a trailer. The main issue is the truck bed, which has significant rust damage, though a replacement bed is included. Overall, it's a good starting point for someone looking to build a classic truck without dealing with major frame repairs. (14) 1968 Dodge D100 Sweepline, $3,500, Crossville, Tennessee. This 1968 Dodge D100 Sweepline is a running and driving project truck with a classic long bed design. It's powered by a slant 6 engine paired with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. The truck runs and moves around, and many basic functions like lights and gauges are working. However, it does have rust in the body and some suspension issues that will need attention, including rear components. It does not come with a title, which is an important consideration. Overall, it's a usable project that can be driven while being improved over time. (15) 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, $2,300, Boonville, Indiana. This 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 XL is a classic fastback style project with a clean title and a solid overall structure. However, the engine is currently locked up, meaning it will need a rebuild or replacement before it can run again. The car was originally equipped with factory air conditioning, which adds value if restored properly. While it is not drivable in its current condition, it offers a good foundation for someone interested in a full restoration project, especially given its relatively low asking price.
(16) 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Convertible, $3,500, Etowah, NC. This 1973 Volkswagen Beetle has been modified into a Dune-style convertible, giving it a more fun and open driving experience. It comes with a manual transmission and is reported to have around 75,000 miles. The car has a clean title, but currently has an issue with the starter installation, preventing it from running properly. Aside from that, it appears to be a fairly complete vehicle. With some mechanical attention, it could become a unique and enjoyable summer car rather than a full restoration project. (17) 1962 MG Midget 1 Roadster, $1,000, Liberty, SC. This 1962 MG Midget 1 is a lightweight British roadster project with a surprisingly solid base. The engine runs well with strong oil pressure, and the transmission has been rebuilt, which are major positives at this price point. However, the fuel system needs to be reconnected, and the brakes and clutch components require attention. The car is mostly complete and includes extra parts, though it is missing seats and comes with a bill of sale only. Overall, it's a very affordable project with strong mechanical potential. 18. 1953 Chevrolet panel van, $3,600, Nanticoke, PA. This 1953 Chevrolet panel van is a classic utility vehicle with a lot of character and potential. The engine runs, but the vehicle will need brake work before it can be driven safely. The body is described as rough, though replacement floor pans are included, which is helpful for restoration. It comes with an out-of-state title and bill of sale. This is not a quick project, but for someone interested in vintage vans or custom builds, it offers a unique starting point. (19) 1977 Dodge D350 Dually, $4,800, Lewisburg, NC. This 1977 Dodge D350 is a heavy-duty dually truck that runs and drives, making it one of the more functional vehicles in this group. It has a 318 engine and manual transmission, along with significant recent work, including a rebuilt rear end and updated wiring system. It also features modern upgrades like EFI and electronic ignition. While it does need some brake-related work and cosmetic cleanup, it's still usable as is. Overall, it's a solid working classic truck with both utility and project potential. (20) 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7, $800, Blanchester, OH. This 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 is one of the cheapest entries in this list and is clearly a project car. It has been sitting in a barn for many years and was last started briefly using an external fuel source. The car is partially disassembled, with some parts missing such as the bumpers, though many components are included in boxes. With around 72,000 miles, it has potential, but it will require significant work to bring back. Overall, this is a budget project suited for someone willing to invest time and effort into a full rebuild. So, which one would you pick? A running classic or a full project build? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic car finds just like these.